Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Jenny here today. I know I've been gone for so freaking long and I'm so sorry. I got really sick, but I'm back and I'm really excited because I got some stuff. Well, some stuff is not new, but it's new to me. It's new to my home. It's new to my room. I got the Lime Crime Diamond Dewy glitter shadow thing. I've been wanting them since they first came out. And then I also purchased, this is from the Makeup by Shay. This is her stack. This stack of neon loose pigments is $10 freaking for this whole stack. I think that just blows my mind. I mean, I haven't even tried them yet, so we don't know how pigment is, but I'm excited. I also bought some loose, some glitters from her Makeup by Shay. I got this emerald green one and this gold leaves, gold one and purple one. So this gold one is more like foils compared to this one. And last but certainly not least, this is from Black Moon Cosmetics. Following them on Instagram since like high school, and I never actually purchased anything from them, but they started selling their products at Ulta, and I love Ulta. If I can buy all my makeup through Ulta, I'd rather do it that way. Decided why not get two lipsticks. So I got two lipsticks. I got this red metallic one, Warrior, which I'll show you at the end of the video. Okay, so I'm starting off with these pigments from Makeup by Shay. I'm starting off with that neon pink, this one right here. Poured a little bit onto the cap, and I'm just using a brush. Oh mama. Okay. Holy cow. That's pretty bright, and I like that you can blend it out so it looks a little so it's like a little softer, you know, but it's still neon. I love that. I'm just grabbing more pink. Okay, so I just blended that out. Dude, it's so freaking pigmented, crazy pigmented. I'm going to grab the purple one now. With the purple one, I'm just going to put that on the ends here of my lid, just out here on the corner. Put that here. It looks kind of like magenta, so it looks good with the pink. You might not be able to see it as well since it's laid over the pink. Yeah, I got really sick. I was in the hospital and whatever. I'm good now, but you know, I was out for a week. I was quarantined because I was very contagious with the flu. Yeah, so this week I've just been getting back on my feet, and it's good. Little by little, I'm going to the gym and all that good stuff. So very thankful that I am done with that horrible sickness. Now I'm just going to put some of this on my crease, on my lid. I mean, applicator. Hold my hand. And it's a little slanted. Taking a brush, taking some off of there with a brush and putting it on. But I'm just gonna do it straight from the thing. Actually, I should have done that because of the pink pigment. Okay, so I just grab a brush and dab some on there, just because I'm getting some of the neon on my brush, on the applicator itself. Okay, I finished the rest of my face. I'm going to grab a little bit more of the pink, that neon pink, and place that on my lower lash line. I'm just grabbing that same exact brush, and then I'm going to use the purple right on top of the pink. I want to add some more purple. I'm just gonna grab more of the Dewy Diamond. Not going all the way. I'm not going halfway, just to here. Super cute. Okay, I'm going to put this NYX, the baby pink eyeliner on my lower waterline. Found these Mink 3D lashes that I have never used before. These are in SD01 lashes through AliExpress, because let me tell you something, they're only like $2 or $1 a pair versus getting the exact same pair of lashes that someone did this. Look, can I do it? Took this out and put it in another one, or took off the lashes themselves because of the Mink 3D and then just places them on top of this glittery background and then sells them for like 25 bucks a pair. Using the telescopic mascara from L'Oreal to do my bottom lashes. I decided to add a little bit more of the pink because I noticed that it matches more with my earrings. And look at that, hot damn. I only grabbed a little bit more and I just like dabbed it on. It blends so flawlessly. I mean, obviously your girl messed up down here, but look at how beautiful. If you're a lover of all neon things, I think that you should totally check out Makeup by Shay's stack. And if you don't use your shadows like this every day, then obviously they will last you longer. I need to learn how to speak. I'm going to use Black Moon's Warrior lipstick. This is what the applicator looks like. Okay, the lipstick dried down now. It's really pretty. It kind of reminds me of the shade Melon by Lime Crime, the plushies. That's giving me some melon vibes. Hey guys, but that was it. This is my final look. Yeah, so I'll go ahead and post a link down below on where you can get Makeup by Shay, her stack of $10 for 6 neons. 6 neon colors, and again she has like glitters, loose glitters, pigments, and all that good stuff on her website for really affordable price. And your girl's all about affordable prices. So anyway, you guys, thank you so much for watching me. Thank you for coming back and joining me yet again. I hope that you like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.